feel like I can't do a favorites video with you. And at the same time, already spoken about in my Rolls Royce scent. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome to my channel. Can you believe I'm doing a favorites video after so long? If you're watching my channel from the start of this year, you would have noticed that I mentioned that I want to film favorites every single month, and I was doing it I think up until March if I'm not wrong, and then everything went downhill after that. And yeah, I just never felt like filming a favorites video. Not because I didn't want to, but because quite honestly I wasn't really trying anything at all. Work from home started, I wasn't taking care of myself, my skin was going to shit, and I wasn't really trying anything new, so it really made no sense for me to sit here and talk about just like favorites which are really not my favorites. So that's why there were no favorites video for a while. Before I proceed though, quick apologies for my hair. Oh my god, I know it looks really terrible. It has again grown out so much that they just have a direction of their own, so I really can't help it. I did throw it up in a ponytail, but then I started getting really bad headaches, so I had to like leave them open. Let's get started. So for this video, I think I have only one makeup item, and I understand truly that nobody's really putting on any makeup now, and for the same reason I really don't have many makeup favorites except for this particular item. Now if you have not watched my e-makeup tutorial, which I think I was 3-4 videos back, you definitely go ahead and watch that, because in that video I have tried so many new makeup products. And of course I loved all of those, like most of those, but something that really stood out to me from that video was this eyebrow palette from PAC. Now, the reason why eyebrow pencils are not working on my eyebrows anymore is because when my eyebrows grow out, they have got absolutely no shape of their own, and also my eyebrows are very sparse right here at the very beginning. So when I have it threaded and everything, of course I can just fill it in with my eyebrow pencil and I'm done. But right now there's just like nothing over here, and I just do not understand how to use an eyebrow pencil when my eyebrows look like this, because otherwise it just looks very boxy. When I do try to fill it in, it's a mess. It's a mess. I know I complain about my eyebrows all the time, but it is what it is. And I have been loving it so much because of many reasons. Firstly, you get this brush in it. So one side is this spoolie and one side is this angled brush, and the brush is actually very nice. It's not flimsy, it's quite sturdy, so you can, fill in your eyebrows with it. Now it comes with 2 eyebrow waxes and 2 shades to fill in your eyebrows, and the reason why I've been loving this, you guys, is because it's so quick. Like, it is so quick. If you have sparse eyebrows like me and you just don't know how to use an eyebrow pencil when your eyebrows just grow out, this is going to be amazing. So I use the spoolie that comes with it, use the darkest of the eyebrow wax and just brush it, and that alone gives my eyebrows such a beautiful shape. And then also it just stays in place. That is also one of the issues that I face with my eyebrows. They never stay in place, but with this it just stays in place, and it already looks like I have done enough, And then if you want to fill in any sparse gaps or anything, you can just use the other side of the brush, pick up the powder shadow or powder product, and then just fill it in. It is so quick. Like, right now also I have my eyebrows done with this palette, and it actually is amazing. I don't know why I never really came across any product which has got an eyebrow wax and eyebrow powder like this, because it is actually a genius idea for especially someone like me. I feel like I can't do a favorites video without featuring this. This is the sanitizer spray from Arias. This is actually Lara Datta's brand. This is how it looks like. And I mean, for obvious reasons, right now I had been ordering a lot of products, especially skincare and all of those. So every package that is coming in, I'm just like sanitizing it with this one. You also have the Dettol and a few other disinfectants which come like this in a spray bottle, but everything, like every of those brands, are just out of stock these days. So this one is actually pretty good. The spray is nice and it just does the job. I have 2 of these. I've already finished one, and I just, like, whenever I'm ordering anything from Nykaa, I just ensure that I order one of this, because I don't want to run out of this. And I mean, we don't even know when the situation is going to get better. So of course, I feel like all of us are going to need this one, in our life. Okay, then I have the Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Gel. Wow, that was a mouthful. So this is not a new product to me. I was using this almost 6 to 7 months back, and I quite liked it back then also. And now that I anyways have dry skin, I was looking for an under eye cream, but at the same time I did not want to spend a lot on an under eye cream, only because I don't have terrible dark circles. The only reason why I wanted an under eye cream was just for hydration purpose. So I figured that I'm going to go ahead and get myself this one again. So this is my second purchase, and this is just really good, guys. I mean, this of course does not solve or reduces the darkness of your under eyes. It has this like really nice gel consistency. It is a clear gel and smells Ayurvedic, and the texture also of the gel is quite nice. Like this one, it's not very thin where you feel like you really put nothing on, and it also is not very thick. So the texture is perfect. So if you haven't already tried this under eye gel and you just want something for a good hydration which is not very expensive, then I think it's a good one. And if you guys have any other eye cream recommendations for me which is under budget, then please let me know in the comment section below. Next up, very quickly, I have two nail polish favorites. So these are from K Beauty, and I have the one in the shade Bittersweet. I actually bought a bunch of shades, but so far I've only tried Bittersweet, which is a very pretty nude, and then the other shade is called as Tender Lavender. I actually have it on my nails right now. I think applied this 1 week back, and these have a really good staying power, you guys. Definitely the staying power is good. I mean, of course it has chipped, but on me, I feel like nail polishes really don't last for that long, like 2-3 days at the max. But yeah, these two colors are actually really nice. Next up, I have something which I've already spoken about in my recent skincare video, and it's the Calm Skin Blemish Rescue Gel from Superdrug. Now, I did briefly talk about it, and I did mention that this is something that I use as spot treatment when I have active acne going on. And after filming that video, I just started breaking out terribly. I don't know what it was, but I actually was really badly breaking out everywhere. It has gone down so much, and I'm so thankful. But that's when I realized that, oh my god, this is actually a lot better than I think it is. Because before this, of course, I was using it as a spot treatment, but I did not have like terrible, the pus-filled, painful ones. I am so glad that it has gone down a lot. But I was just reading the ingredients because I was using this a lot and it was working so well. And it actually has niacinamide as the third ingredient in this. And over here it says with chamomile, niacinamide and salicylic acid. And all of these ingredients are actually amazing for your pimples and acne. So I think that's why it works so well. And yeah, if you are looking for something for your spot treatment and which is not very expensive, then I think this is a really good one. It actually works, guys. Of course, if it's a huge pus-filled pimple, then it's going to take like 2 to 3 days. But it works. Like you will start seeing results from the next day onwards, which is amazing. So I just had to mention it because I was using this constantly, and I think I'm almost out of it. I still have quite a bit of it left, but now that I have gone through so much and I know that this works, I might repurchase this. Now finally, moving on to products which I've never spoken about before, I have the Dot & Key Skincare Hydro Peel Glow Potion 10% AHA and 2% BHA Exfoliating Serum. It says grapefruit and borage flower, and this stuff is amazing. It really is amazing. I think I've tried it thrice now and I'm in love. Like, I don't know what else to talk about it. So this is a type of chemical exfoliant. This is more of a mask. Did it just start raining? If you are into skincare, I don't think I have to explain, but this is actually a really good dupe of the ordinary AHA and BHA serum. I think with that one the percentage is 30% though, like the AHA ka percentage is 30%, but with this you get 10%. But I still feel like this just does the job, it does the job. You leave it on for 10 minutes, just wash it off, and then your skin is just so smooth. Ever since I started using this, I have noticed such a massive difference on the texture that I generally have on my nose. I have talked about this from the time that I've actually started my channel. I always face with texture on my nose, so this has been coming in quite handy. If you are looking for a good quality chemical exfoliant with AHA and BHA, both of the products in it, then this is really good. Of course guys, do a patch test before you apply on your skin. This has active ingredients in it and you don't want to have any side effects or anything, so I would definitely suggest that you do patch test. But this stuff is amazing. I know it's a little pricey, like I think it's for 1095, but I feel like it's absolutely worth it, because of course you're not going to use it every single day. Once a week or maybe twice a week at the max is all that you need with this product to see results, and it's amazing. Now, one product which I feel like I have to mention, because I just mentioned 2 products with active ingredients, is a must-have, and it's a sunscreen. Now, I was also one of those people who would not really wear sunscreen when I'm indoors, and I know that a lot of people who are very conscious of their skin would still wear sunscreen when they're indoors, but I just wasn't one of them. And then after I started watching a lot of skincare videos, I have realized that no matter what, I should wear sunscreen during the daytime, even when I am, of course, during the daytime. What I meant is even when I'm indoors. And now that I'm using those active ingredients, AHA and BHA, and it is important that you protect your skin. So, if you're watching this video and you're considering buying any of those products from Dot & Key, I would highly suggest that if you've run out of your sunscreen, you also add a sunscreen to your cart. The one that I'm using right now is just Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sunblock SPF 50+. It just works. So yeah, I had to mention this. This is something that you cannot miss if you are including any of those products in your skincare routine. And I have been making conscious effort myself to not miss this step during my morning skincare routine. Alright you guys, so those were all of the products that I've been currently loving and using and enjoying. Let me know what are a few of your skincare favorites. I definitely would love to know your skincare favorites, especially if you guys have any favorites from the brand Derma Co. I have been seeing a lot of people making videos on it, and the brand itself looks kind of very nice when it comes to active ingredients and all of those things. So yeah, that's it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, also click on the bell notification, and also you can let me know if you guys are enjoying my vlogs. That's all that I had, and you can follow me on Insta for makeup tutorials and other makeup related content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.